What's going on YouTube? Mike here again, along with stupid mother.
What nationality was the guy that owned this car?
You know what he was. His name was Raul.
You know exactly.
You know who owned this.
You know exactly.
You know who owned this car. This is the trick, yo. The trick of the century.
Is that all the way up?
Feel good.
There you go.
Bam.
Good.
Alright, first problem, we gotta fix this freaking ground.
I'm gonna grab one.
Dude, this is what decapitates someone's head if it falls.
So much. This thing weighs so much.
Bringing pros in. We're bringing pro wiring. Oh, he's ready. He's ready. Look at his toolkit. What do we have here?
So, positive ground kit.
Jeebus.
Dude. This guy.
He's just gonna.
This guy. You got a drill.
Oh, you have a drill?
Then you got the brush, so you get a perfect piece for
wow.
that.
To the strut bar in the back.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
That's how we bought it.
That's how he had it. Dude, you know this car, when he sold to us, he's like, here's some starting fluid.
We could go to the support screw. That's a great spot. All right, here we go, folks. Let's get that thing off. You got tools?
What? To get this thing off?
Yeah.
It's quick release, bro.
Quick release.
Was that a
Oh,
yeah.
Wow!
Oh, damn, dude. Is that off a bicycle seat?
No, so tell us what is the problem here from a professional standpoint?
Now, the first thing I see that looks like a bicycle post, the strut bar. We could meter the ground just to see.
What, you want to
But
see?
it's to the paint.
It's to the paint?
Which is on chrome. And let's see. And then we got this here, which is painted on paint. And
Paint on paint.
And we might have some sort of a gasket.
Thick. Boom. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Bam.
Okay.
Proper ground, ladies and gentlemen.
There it is. First we're going to check and see if the battery has any life. I'm sorry, sir. Your battery
Is dead.
is currently having a heart attack.
Like too tall.
Actually, I guess I should stick it on the bottle. And then
There you
like,
go.
kind of like
And
figure
clamp
out
it.
where we want
There
it.
you go. What are you doing?
I gotta do it right.
That's thinking.
Nas.
Cool. That's
$3.
no $100. I give you 100. Take a hit of that mouse. Oh, if the bottle was full, that'd be awesome. Is the bottle empty?
Yeah, it's empty.
It's empty tonight, unfortunately.
Ah.
So
This isn't going to slide right, guys. Shit. Unbelievable.
if I go looser,
If he grew 2 more hands.
There we go. There we
one
go.
on each side.
Oh, there it is.
Damn, we got it. I think we got it. Nope, we don't. Let me go all the way down.
Now he's got the loopy-loop.
Let's top.
In the world.
Did it give
This
me
is like-
extra thread?
Yeah.
No thread.
And give it a go wiggle woggle.
Nas, bitches.
I need a little
Do you
lube.
have to take it out to fill it too?
Yeah.
We're just doing the mount, the pre-test mount.
Where it's gonna be.
Dude, they didn't. They swore they could have just made the mount.
It could have
like,
made this
the
bolt
thread like.
longer.
Oh, the tint's still warranty, dude. The whole car's still warranty.
That tint is lifetime, bro.
Yeah, I believe it is Lumar.
Yeah, it is.
It's a little.
I'm not wearing a Lumar shirt. What are you talking about?
You guys warranty that shit, dude.
If you turn the bottle sideways, it'll be better. Like we loosen it and we turn it.
Yeah. We don't have to. We don't have
they
to.
don't
No, it's good. It's good.
warranty
We don't have to hook it up. We just gotta. We just have to route it.
Kinda-
We just have to route it.
But fade it.
Kind of have to hook it up because it's gonna be routed whatever way this thing's kind of like hooked up. So.
Dude, he always wears a Lumar shirt.
You want to just like do it.
Yeah, I know, because every time I come here, I'm after work.
So, the car's been having a couple issues.
Just a couple.
We had a couple of codes, one for TPS and another for intake air temp. And then, so I took out the TPS and I noticed I had a a sleeve on it. I took the sleeve off and then just could yank off the wire. So somebody try to extend that wire. I'm about to go look at. Did they do this one too? Did they extend this wire?
I wouldn't doubt it.
Hold on, let's see. Hold on, let's see if they extended this one. Okay, so see, I see that it's anything with electrical tape. I know like they didn't probably
Solder it.
do any type of soldering. Hold on, hold this real quick. Let's see. I know it. Hold on, let me see.
Twist and tape, twist and tape, twist and tape.
Please watch. No solder.
Give it a pull.
Of course, no solder.
No.
Of course.
Are they consistent?
It's weird. I don't know why they cut it. It's like, let me just cut this off. Well,
It's too hard to unplug.
I know, right? And
Flips
then,
always break.
gosh, I think all the injectors are probably done like that too. All the injectors are like not soldered in.
What are the chances of some of them being backwards?
Who knows? Gosh.
I wouldn't doubt it. But if it fixes TPS problem though, it'll run like a champ.
I know, probably rolling like a champ.
Oops.
Most likely. So yeah, it has a, plus there's like gas fuel smell. It's coming from right here. So we gotta do overhaul before we get the night. But we got this cool little switch. Guys, this is the nitrous switch.
Ooh, clicks.
Chris's custom work right here.
Custom bracket that just made out of scratch.
Scrap metal. We're gonna make that happen. Get a zoom into this. You get that? Look at that. Amazing.
Bracket.
He made that.
Little twist.
Little twist, and then when you press on the throttle, 100%, that's when the nitrous shoots. Supposedly they want to do with that switch. I want to do with the button, but somebody said don't do that because it blows your motor. I want the button. I want the button on my steering wheel.
The button on the steering wheel will be the purge.
Alright, the purge?
Yeah, that'll be the purge. We'll set it up for a purge.
Like spitting lyrics as he's soldering, he gets in the zone.
Oh, show him the
Doing some, please, guys. Like, you guys really have to not do this anymore. This twisty thing.
Twisty twist?
Failure, bro. Fail everywhere. Look at this. Fails.
Everywhere, fail.
So Mike's doing his. Look at his setup, man. I mean, guys, this is serious. This like he's not playing around. Okay, he's a solder master, bro. Solder master right here. So he's gonna make the harness all nice and tidy, so we can begin to explode this motor.
Hey.
And
You're not trying to blow up the motor. Come on, guys.
no, nitrous doesn't blow up motors. No.
Of course it doesn't.
No. So we're gonna do that, and then it's China build.
China build time.
China build. Chris, you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Your race machine here? I'm
excited
look
for
at this.
nitrous. I'm excited
It's
for
not
the
about.
music.
It's not about the car. It's about the way the driver stands next to it. Look at this. Look how he stands next to it with a beer. Heineken in the yellow tint.
Under it. Okay. Yeah, there's some fuel leakage that we're seeing. Yeah, I can see it's fresh right there.
Yeah, I see it on the.
Is it leaking? Can you keep priming?
See when we
So
prime it.
we rewired it. Pretty shoddy for right now, just to see. We'll wrap it up nice later. But we're gonna see if we fix the two codes. So we're gonna reset the ECU by disconnecting for about a minute, and then seeing if what code still exists, and hopefully it'll stop our idle and like fumbling problem when you rev it up.
Yes, sir.
Z.
It's leaking out like crazy right here, but it's like I only see it on the back. It has to be this injector. Yeah, it's the injector. The injector seal, the top seal on the injector. Bolts, if your ratchet works. Loosen 3 nuts and voila.
Loosen the 3 nuts.
Don't drop one of them as your
The first one, I had that quick disconnect. You just press down on that one,
you just press down on this one.
and then push it up.
Wow, that's crazy.
Right? Instead of that stupid clip. You know what I'm talking about? You gotta use that small flathead.
That is pretty sick. Pretty genius. Come on, baby.
Oh yeah.
Well, there's our problem. She's a little ate up.
Just a little bit.
That's our issue.
There you go. Here you go.
Oh, that was easy.
There you go.
So make sure your filter's down. And then you just yank this bad boy off.
That ripped one off.
And we put a smooth one in, like so. Huh? There you go. What about? Yeah. Nope.
Free rev. You hold this?
Can we turn it off?
No, hold it. Check these codes. Boom. Yeah, only one code. Intake air temp.
Oh, what are you called?
TPS is done. TPS works.
What's flag for?
It's intake air temp. It's good. So no hesitation when you rev. Great.
Run smooth.
Good.
And I think it starts first try every time now.
Huh?
So the sensor's probably burned?
Probably.
Or plug in backwards.
No, we got it.
Boom. There you go. First start.
So fuel leak fixed. Oh, hold on.
What's up?
So fuel leak fixed and TPS fixed.
Yeah, we have to fix the intake air temp.
Next.
Probably burned it out. So we're gonna replace the sensor, and then we're gonna try to erase all these codes. So one code left. Yeah, this guy must have done like hella money to get this thing. Like new starter, distributor.
Yeah, he did. He put money into it. It just sucks that the people that helped him didn't care about his car as much as he cared about his car.
Right? Freaking zippy twisty wires.
Man.
Throwing codes. We erased one code just wiring it right.
It's horrible what people do to these kids. And I'm sure it was a kid, you know, when he first put this together, it's like scarfing up money wherever he could to put it together.
Yeah.
And they screw them, and then they never get Hondas again because it's like, oh man, my Honda
they had so
like
much
crap.
problems.
Yeah, but it's not the Honda's fault.
It's not the Honda's fault.
Not at all.
It's the installer's fault.
100%. We've proved it over and over again.
We gotta freaking start a show like Saving Rice.
Saving Rice. Saving Rice.
Alright guys, please like, please subscribe until next video. We're gonna send this. You're gonna see us at the track. IFO, December 2nd, Las Vegas. You're gonna send us. You're gonna see us all there, sending our cars.
Send them.
Come check us out. Come check us out.